These Kaxiida 2025 solar outdoor lights deliver impressively strong illumination from dozens of individual LED bulbs, making them well suited for highlighting trees, pathways, and architectural details at night. The lights offer 3 distinct brightness levels, so you can dial in softer accent lighting or a more intense beam depending on the area you are trying to cover. A high-capacity, rechargeable battery and efficient solar panel work together to keep the lights running reliably through the night when they have had decent sun exposure during the day. The solar panel angle can be adjusted to better face the sun, and a built-in sensor handles dusk to dawn on and off control without any manual intervention. Their rugged housing and fully sealed waterproof construction help these spotlights stand up to rain, snow, and general outdoor abuse far better than many budget garden lights. Installation is straightforward with options for staking them into the ground or mounting them on a wall or fence, and there is no wiring to deal with.